Alright Motorhead fans, welcome back to the Noob series. Of course, we're back working on the super clean Mustang. Couple of things on this video we'll be doing. Super nice GT500 spoiler. Of course it's not going to look like this. We'll make sure to get it painted, body worked, super nice. The main part of this video is doing a nice RTR license plates around. Backwards, doesn't matter. We're going to get it installed looking super clean. While we also have the bumper out, we're going to be doing a magnetic rear parking sensor. What's super nice about this kit is we're not going to be drilling any sort of holes inside the bumper or anything like that. It's going to get mounted onto the inside of it. We're going to test it out. We're going to see how it works. Make sure you stick around. Might be something you want to add to yours. Alright, Noob series. So, first thing on removing the rear bumper, is what you're going to want to do is remove your inside seal. You have a couple of clips on the top corner, one's on the bottom here. They just simply pop right out. That's just going to give you access to the back of the lights. On the back of the lights, you're going to have a 12mm socket. Just do all those and lights will simply pop out. You have a plug here in the back, comes right out. On the wheel wells, you have a couple of Phillips screws. Make sure you take those out. And along the bottom side, you're gonna have some more body clips. We're gonna go ahead and take care of those. Of course, I'm gonna have the cameraman, 100% Noob series, gonna help us out. Get him learning on his car, trying to get you guys working on your cars at home. Stick around. Alright Motorheads, as you can see we got the rear bumper off, getting a couple holes drilled in it for the RTR. Just want to take a minute of your time to explain our wiring sensor for the backup. So a rear backup sensor. It's a pretty simple install. You have your speaker wire that's going to go inside the car. It's just going to give you an audible sound when you're backing up near something that's metal, another car. It uses this magnetic metal strip that gets taped to the inside of the bumper so that we're not drilling any holes or any additional fabrication and just making the outside of the bumper looking kind of not so nice. And then for power and ground is about the only things you'll need. So you have your red and black wire here, power and earth, ground. We're gonna wire this into the reverse light. So once you put the car into reverse, it's gonna power the sensor and basically it's gonna, turn itself on. Sorry, a little brain blank there. So stick around. I'm gonna wire this into the reverse light. We'll get the speaker mounted to the inside in a nice discreet location. It's gonna be a nice, super clean install. Motorhead fans, we just finished taping this on the inside of the bumper. Be included in the videos for sure. But before we put everything back into place, we wanted to test out the system. I wired the red power wire to the reverse, the black to the ground, and then you have white and black is the speaker that goes to the inside of the car. You have your simple module here. Let me get out of the way. Then you're gonna have the wire that goes to the sensor. So I'll have a camera guy put the car in reverse, and of course we're going to use JoJo's help to come into place.
Guys, so get closer and closer.
Yeah, walk closer, we'll hear it.
More faster.
That's it, you're close, you hit! Boom!
Nice.
Awesome. Woo! So now we're just going to finish up putting this bumper back on, finish the RTR here with the holes, get this thing looking super nice and unique. What's going on, Motorhead fans? As you saw, we finished the sensor. It's working super nice, loud as hell on the inside. We're working on the RTR fiberglass insert. It didn't really line up as nice as we liked it, and for the amount of work that it was going to take for us to really get this to look nice and be secure, we decided to make our own. We used the grill that we had from the front, so we're tying in the front grill with the back grill. We just used some simple hose to kind of clean it up. We'll be changing this out later on with some nice door seal. But as you can see, super nice. Gonna help really vent out the air from behind the bumper just to get it out and away from the car. And if you got a keen eye, we added some carbon fiber diffuser add-ons. We just 3M taped them on just to see how they'll look at the end. Maybe eventually we'll screw them in, mount them in place, but for right now, it's gonna be it. We're gonna install this bumper, then we'll get some nice B-roll of how it looks.
Wing.
What?
Come wing.
By the way, we didn't get to the wing yet. Because this took a little bit longer than expected, and we're really trying to make the wing look perfect, we're gonna be sanding it, body filler, then we'll be taking care of this wing, making it look nice. Make sure you stick around for the other unveil of some of the other stuff we got going on in the background. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that other good stuff. Now look at this. looking super fresh, nice. RTR, custom Motorhead style. Grill from the front, used in the back. We got some rear diffusers. If you're planning on doing this yourselves, make sure you paint the whole back inside so that you don't see any of your body color, because before you could see the red and stuff, so just make sure you touch that up with some black. We also painted the mufflers black, so taking a look from the outside, we painted all inside there as well. Keeping up the details, that's what it's all about. And we'll be sure to be fixing that with some nice door seal, making it look super clean. But make sure you stick around, we'll be working on the spoiler, and we've got a couple other great surprises coming up for this thing.